It affects nearly every homeowner here in Oklahoma, sky-high insurance rates.
And the reason behind it, we often hear, is because all of the property damage from all of our severe weather. However, a new report by Oklahoma Watch is challenging that claim. News 4's Sydney Batzlov joins us with what she's learned. Sydney.
Jolene, Kevin, we've all heard the excuse, it's the hail. That's the reason we've heard as to why Oklahoma homeowners pay some of the highest insurance rates in the country. But Oklahoma Watch reporter J.C. Hallman decided to look beyond that and discovered that may not be the case.
Turns out that both Texas and Kansas have historically more hail than we do, yet their insurance rates are lower than ours.
A report from the National Weather Service from 2020 to 2024 shows Oklahoma had an average of 16.6 days of 2-inch hail, while Texas had more than double at 37.8 days, Kansas at 21.4 days, and Nebraska at 22.6 days. Those numbers are what made Oklahoma Watch reporter J.C. Hallman start asking what's really driving up Oklahoma's insurance costs.
It's a quirk in Oklahoma law.
Hallman says the Oklahoma Insurance Department will regulate rates if they go too low, but won't step in if they go up, assuming the free market will bring costs down.
Oklahomans wind up paying a lot more than they maybe need to, and it allows the insurance companies to cover up losses in other states by charging Oklahomans more money.
The insurance department is led by Glenn Mulready.
Glenn Mulready actually has the power, based on the law as it is, that he could step in and simply decide that we do not have a competitive market. And once he says we have a non-competitive market, then he could just lower rates.
I asked Mulready if he's considered taking action.
It all comes down to, do we have a competitive marketplace? And yes, we're getting complaints because premiums are up and people do not like that. And I get that. But we have a very competitive marketplace.
Oklahoma Watch reported that there was one instance a commissioner stepped up to lower rates with earthquake insurance.
Now, there were 2 companies writing earthquake coverage, so it was determined that is not a competitive market. There's only 2 companies competing against each other.
Records show the insurance industry was Mulready's top donor in 13 out of 15 years.
There's zero connection with that because there's nothing that can be done. We don't approve rates. I could see that if we approved rates, and somehow I was doing a favor for a certain insurance company, but that doesn't take place because it can't take place.
Commissioner Mulready also says it's not just hail driving up the cost of insurance.
Rates are up because of claims and inflation. If a roof costs more to replace today than it did yesterday, your insurance premiums are going to reflect that because that's a direct connection to actual costs.
I asked Commissioner Mulready if he's working with legislators to combat the price hikes. He told me the OID just launched the Strengthen Oklahoma Homes Act, which provides grants to fortify your home, which can lead to lower premiums, but that program isn't open to everybody. While Mulready believes we have a competitive market, you're encouraged to share your concerns with the OID and push for change. If you want to read the full story from J.C. Hallman, you can find it on our website, KFOR.com.